1/2 cup of condensed milk. And we have 1 egg, so we scramble. So we put here in the condensed milk. Magtira tayo ng konti. And we mix. And we add our 1 cup of milk. And we add 1/2 teaspoon salt. And 1 teaspoon instant dry yeast. And we combine. And we add our 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And slowly we add our flour, 400 grams. So you go guys. So we need the dough. Guys, so we cover this one and let it rest. So we let it rest. So in the counter we put a little amount of flour. Ito na siya guys. Natin. And we form the ball. So we cover guys and let it rest. So check natin guys. So i-flat natin ng ganyan. Tapos ikat natin siya guys. There you go. So, gawin natin siyang bilog. So, ayan siya guys. Fold natin. Tapos, ganyanin natin. So, ayan. Sige natin dyan. Saan? Takpan natin siya ulit guys. At hintayin na magtubo siya.
A few moments later.
So, ito na guys. So, ayan. Malaki na siya. Natin siya ulit. So, iganyan natin. Tapos, ilagay natin sa ating form. So, sa ating baking form. So, continue natin siya guys. Hanggang sa tayo ay matapos. So, you go guys. So, takpan natin ulit ng 10 to 15 minutes saka natin siya i-bake. So, ayan na guys. Check na natin yung ating bread. So, ayan. See? Tapos natin siya nung tinabi natin na egg. Rest. So, i-bake na natin siya guys. 480 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. 1 tablespoon of butter. So, mag-add tayo ng 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. So, itabi natin para mamaya. So, yan na siya guys. Yung ating tinapay. So, here you go. Our bread is ready. Na natin siya guys. Ng ating condensed at saka ng ating butter. Tapos, ilagyan natin siya ng grated cheese. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more video. Like, comments, and share. There you go. So, tanggalin natin yung kalahati. Delicious. So, ito yung half. Lagyan natin ng cheese. So, ayan.